Welcome, everyone. Today we're diving into some strategies for building wealth that really make a difference in your financial journey.
I'm excited about this. So we're talking about accessible financial advice and how you can, get guidance without needing a huge portfolio, right?
Exactly. It's like many models now offer hourly rates, project-based fees, or even subscriptions, so you don't need a massive portfolio to get that professional advice.
Right. And that's a game changer. It's almost like the barriers to financial empowerment are being taken down.
Yeah, absolutely. It's about how you can create a personalized roadmap. Whether you're looking to pay down student loans, buy a home, or plan for retirement, these advisors can tailor a plan for you.
Oh, I see. I love that concept because it makes it um, feel like expert advice is truly accessible. But don't you think sometimes this might sound oversimplified?
Well, that's a fair point. I mean, it isn't exactly a magic fix. You still need to do the legwork. But think about it, it's like having a roadmap when you're driving in an unfamiliar city. You're not lost, you just need to follow the
Yeah,
directions.
exactly. Right. And I've noticed that too. Even with fee only advisors or services like those from the XY Planning Network, you can shop around and even interview a few to see who really fits your needs.
And honestly, getting expert advice isn't about weakness, it's a power move. It's about leveraging expertise to accelerate your journey to
Definitely, absolutely.
financial freedom.
So basically, you're saying if you need help figuring out your finances, it's totally okay to reach out to someone who can make the process less daunting.
Exactly, and let's put it all together. Building wealth and achieving financial freedom is a multi step journey.
How would you break it down?
First things first, it's about mastering your mindset. You've got to shift from scarcity to abundance, like rewiring your brain to believe that wealth isn't a zero sum game.
Yeah. And then, once you have the right mind frame, you lay the foundation, right?
Right? It starts with a clear budget and a fully funded emergency fund. Think of it as building the bedrock for everything else.
Reminded me of setting up a safety net. That step is so critical because it gives you the confidence to take on more like long term investments.
Exactly. And then you move into wealth building mode. This is where you consistently invest for the long term, making your money work for you. It's like planting seeds that will
Absolutely,
eventually
very
bloom.
true. But here's something to consider. Don't you think that sometimes people misinterpret long term investing as a get rich quick scheme?
I see what you mean, but it's definitely not a shortcut. It's more of a get wealthy for life strategy. You need patience, discipline, and a solid belief in yourself.
Right, it's not overnight magic. Exactly, it's about methodical growth. And even in that process, you can empower yourself by seeking advice from professionals who get your unique journey.
Yes, and think about it. 2025 is shaping up to be the year where you can take decisive action. It's about committing to your own empowerment.
That sounds promising. I love that motivational angle. It's not just about accumulating money, but about having freedom and choice.
Exactly, it's about creating a brighter future for you and your loved ones. And honestly, it's empowering to realize that you don't have to figure it all out on your own.
Right. So, with all these pieces accessible advice, the mindset shift, building a foundation, and then long term investments it really is a comprehensive strategy.
Definitely. It's like stacking building blocks. Each step builds on the previous one and creates momentum, transforming your financial narrative.
Yeah, absolutely. And what about the process of finding that right advisor?
Well, a quick online search for fee only financial advisors or looking up directories from organizations like the XY Planning Network is a great starting point. You don't have to be intimidated. Interview a few advisors until you find someone you
That sounds
connect
very
with.
proactive. I definitely appreciate that advice because sometimes the idea of talking to a financial advisor can feel overwhelming.
Yeah, I agree. But remember, getting expert advice is a power move, not a weakness. It shows you're taking control of your
Right,
financial
it's about
future.
owning your journey. And that's what empowers you to finally build that wealth for life rather than chasing quick fixes.
Precisely. Every step here, from mindset to a stable financial foundation and then progressing into wealth building mode, is essential. and each element reinforces the other.
Totally. You know, I like the approach because it's holistic. It's not just about the numbers, but about your whole relationship with money.
Right on, it goes beyond just budgeting or investing. It's a transformation of how you think about money, freedom, and your future.
Absolutely, I agree.
And for anyone making a financial goal for 2025, it's about taking those steps, being consistent, and believing that you have the power to change your financial narrative.
Yeah, that's really powerful. I wonder though, does the advice stretch to those who might be starting from a really tough financial spot?
That's an important point. The advice is designed to be inclusive. It's about accessible guidance. Even if you're starting with challenges, these advisors can help you form a realistic plan to move forward.
That's reassuring. It's like saying financial empowerment is for everyone, regardless of where you're starting from.
Exactly, and it's not about getting rich quick, but rather creating lasting change. It's about consistently investing in your future and building that secure foundation over time.
Right, no shortcuts here. So, as we wrap up, it all boils down to the fact that expert financial help isn't a luxury. It's a tool for empowerment available to everyone.
Yes, indeed. And if you find this approach resonates, consider setting a financial goal for 2025. Make that commitment to yourself. It's about ultimately crafting a future filled with freedom and choice.
Absolutely, and that's really inspiring. Thanks for breaking this down. It really shows that when you leverage accessible financial advice and combine it with a mindset shift and solid strategies, you're well on your way to transforming your financial life.
Exactly. Remember, the journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Every step counts, and using these accessible approaches means
so
you're
true.
never alone on this path.
And for everyone tuning in, think about that one financial goal for 2025. What's that one thing you'll commit to?
Absolutely. It's about inspiring each other, creating momentum, and taking empowered, deliberate action. Thanks for joining the conversation. Stay empowered and keep building your wealth
Thanks,
one
and
step
keep
at a
striving
time.
forward.